Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 Xbox Gamebar not working. First method is click Start, Settings. Click Gaming. Make sure turn on Xbox Gamebar. Also check Open Xbox Gamebar using this button on a controller. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Apps. Type Gamebar. Select Xbox Gamebar, click Advanced Options. Click Reset. Third method is type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy command from description and paste it. Click Start, click Microsoft Store. Type Gamebar in search bar. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.